What's going on, everybody? James Black Tech coming here, and I want to show you a trick that I recently discovered how to fix your low audio on your AirPods. Now, in my research, I found that a lot of people were actually having an issue with the right AirPod versus the left, where the left one was louder and the right one was significantly more quiet. And that is the issue that I have been having. And there are two actual methods that I found that actually seem to work. One of them I've tested for myself. Another one I rather have tried, but I didn't have the materials here with me, so I tried this other method. Basically, the method that I wanted to try was if you take a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol and dip the Q-tip in the rubbing alcohol, and then you basically will take your AirPod and hold it like this so the earpiece is facing down, so you have gravity working for you. You don't get alcohol into this part of the AirPod. You just take it and just kind of rub the rubbing alcohol in there. I could not do that, so I tried the second method, which I felt was kind of weird at first. And at first, when I heard this method, I was like, I'm not doing that. And just the lack of sound coming out of my right AirPod just bothered me just enough where I was like, you know what? Forget it. Let me try it. Do you want to basically suck off the earpiece right here? I found what worked for me is actually if you blowed into this piece right here, because when you're sucking, it's taking air and going through here like a straw kind of thing. So if you were to actually suck and plug this up, you wouldn't be able to get anything out. So I blew into this side of it, which blew air out of here. And it seemed to work. As weird as it sounds, as strange and as in some cases disgusting as that sounds, it actually works. It honestly, my right AirPod works just as well as my left one. Again, I haven't had any issues. It's been like this for a couple days. And yeah, so if you are having an issue with a low sound quality out of one AirPod versus the other, or if both of them are sounding really, really low, just try either that method, or you can even try the alcohol method with the Q-tip. And let me know down in the comment section below if that method works as well. Anyway, this has been James Blue Eye Tech. Have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys next time.